Hello, welcome to the Nursing Jeopardy. My name is Kristina Dimitrova, and these are your two smart contestants, Terry and Mike.
Hi.
And are we ready to start?
Yes, we are.
Our big theme today is Florence Nightingale.
Okay.
And who wants to start?
I'll go.
Okay, let's be the first one. Choose a category.
What is biography for 500?
Okay. She is Nightingale's mother and strong supporter of the abolition of slavery.
Who is Frances Smith?
Yes, correct answer. And Mike, you can choose another category.
Let's go application 400.
Okay. Nightingale was the first to use this in nursing.
What is theoretical adaptation?
Okay. That is the correct answer.
This is an adaptation.
You said
Foundation.
It's an adaptation.
Are you fighting in the camera?
Let's go. I'm serious. No, check the camera. It's an adaptation.
Okay.
You didn't say adaptation.
We should not do that.
Okay, our director should check the cameras. Okay, we have results. Mike was wrong, Terry's right. Terry will choose a question with the next category.
I want to go for application 500.
Okay. This remains the base of holistic nursing care. Pink heart.
Oh, what is the...
30 seconds.
What is environmental adaptability?
See the answer?
Adaptation.
Adaptation. So Terry didn't get it. And it's Mike's turn to choose a category.
Okay, let's go theory for 500.
Okay, Nightingale believed that giving blank blank to the sickly by making light of their illness and its danger is not helpful.
What is false hope?
Okay, correct answer. And Mike can choose another category.
Okay, let's go theory for 400.
Okay. Nightingale believed that minimizing blank will help promote rest.
What is noise?
Noise. That's correct. Mike, if you're going this way, you're not going to let Terry play at all. So choose another category and then we may take your turn.
Okay, what is career for 400?
Okay. Nightingale spent there 4 months. And somebody put the answer already, but it's very hard. So, did you read it? You could, okay, Nightingale spent 4 months training as a sick nurse.
What is Italy?
Nope. Kaiser words. So, Terry, it is your turn.
Alright, so I'm going to go for career 300.
Okay. In 1907, she was awarded with...
She was awarded with the Order of Merit. So we're going to say, what is Order of Merit?
Okay, correct answer. You know it. Next category.
I'm going to go for... biography 400.
Okay. In 1910, she was buried there in a family plot. It's a very hard question. Think hard. 30 seconds.
What is Hempspire? I see it. East
Wellow, Hampshire. Okay, wrong answer. Mike, it's your turn.
Let's go for biography for 100.
Today, many know Florence Nightingale as the first nurse. She is also commonly called...
What is the lady with the lamp?
Exactly. Very good answer. Next category.
Let's go for career 100.
Okay. Florence Nightingale was sent there during the Crimean War as a superintendent of 38 other nurses. Mike has 30 seconds.
What is Italy?
Nope. What is Scutari?
Mine's a few too.
That was a hard question. So, Terry, it is your turn.
I'm gonna go for biography 300.
Nightingale's father educated her, and later she received tutoring lessons in...
What is mathematics?
Exactly. Correct answer.
I'm gonna go for biography 200.
This city was where she was born and named after.
What is Florence, Italy?
Exactly. Of course, there's a little bit more to the question, so it's Mike's turn.
Okay. Let's go for theory, strength, and weakness for 300.
Nightingale emphasized blank to doctors. She believed that nurses should assist doctors in helping the patient get better.
What is subservience?
Exactly. Very good answer.
Let's go for the same category for 100.
Nightingale focused more on the blank factors than on psychological needs of the patient.
What is physical?
Very good answer.
Let's go application 100.
Okay. To provide this is the most important nursing care goal. $30, Mike. Okay, and time's up.
Holistic.
What is the best holistic patient care? And Terry, it's your turn. If you can move a little bit.
Oh, sorry.
So
I'm
they
gonna
can
go
see you.
for theory, strength, and weakness 500.
Okay. Nightingale believed that proper blank is important in preventing the spread of diseases, which is currently being practiced today.
This is easy. What is hand washing?
Very good.
I'm gonna go for theory again, same strength and weakness 400.
Okay, she believed that blank plays an important role in hastening patients' recovery.
I'm gonna say what is environment?
Good answer. Environment was very important for her.
I'm gonna go for application 300.
This is not only one of the most important healing mechanisms, but it is a separate specialty in the healthcare team. $30.
What is diet?
Yes. This is the answer. You're so good. Okay, next category.
All right, I'm gonna go for theory 100.
Name Florence Nightingale's main theory.
So it's big on environment, so I'm gonna say what is environmental theory?
Exactly. Very good answer. Next category.
I'm gonna go for career 500.
Nightingale published it based on her work during the Crimean War.
That was a long article.
It is a long article, but it's her most famous work.
It has to do with the British Army.
You're very close. Another 4 words. Go.
4 words behind.
Okay, time's up. Mike, do you want to go?
Let me see. Let me think.
Okay. What is the answer? What is notes on matters affecting the health, efficiency, and hospital administration of the British Army? So we will have next question.
Okay, let's go for career for 200.
Okay. In 1860, she established that in St. Thomas Hospital in London. Mike, come on, you gotta know that. It's one of her most important contribution to the nursing profession. She established that.
Is it school? What is a school?
Yes, close. Terry, you want to go for it?
I agree with them that it is as he established like a nursing school. As
Okay.
he,
Okay, let's see the answer. What is Nightingale's school and home for nurses? This is the first actually school for nurses. And we're going to go to another category. Terry?
I'm going to go for application 200.
These ideas are commonly applied in nursing care today.
I know one of them is diet. What is diet and hygiene?
Okay, let's see the answer. It's water, lighting, hygiene, and diet. So these are three of her most important ideas.
Okay.
Mike, you have the choice of a category.
Let's go theory 300.
Okay. According to Nightingale, it is important to prevent transmission of diseases in an enclosed area.
What is pure air?
Exactly. Very good. And
Okay.
next category?
Same category for 200.
Okay.
Theory for
Being deeply blank, she viewed nursing as a mean of doing the will of God, and that nursing is a divine calling.
I know that she is religious, so I'm gonna say what is religious.
Very good. That's exactly what the answer is. And we have a last
Theory
question.
for 200.
Yes. According to Nightingale, when an epidemic disease shows itself, person using blank blank are almost sure to suffer. So these are two words. Okay. Here, do you want to go?
Yeah, I'll try and answer. I also talked about impure air. It's big on the environment, and it's talking about pure air. So I'm gonna go with what is impure air.
Impure water. It is impure water. Okay, and we have two winners with exactly the same result, and they are winners of knowledge.
iPhone. I want an iPhone.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thanks.